Hello and happy Saturday. I am still in my workout clothes, but also nowhere to go, so it doesn't really matter. I was just gonna show you guys what's in my diaper bag because it's fun to see what's in other people's diaper bags. I have been using the Nana & Co. Perfect bag. I love this bag. It fits everything. It's literally the perfect size. Okay, so in my diaper bag, I've always had like the Gather changing mats. I have the long one, which I love, and this one has cute rainbows on it, which I love. This is a must for me with babies. Always need a changing mat. And then I always have my Hydro Flask. I love this thing so much. And then she already stole this out of my bag, but she freaking loves these. They're probably not the best, they're just rice, but she is obsessed. And then of course, can't go without my Sling. This is Magnolia. Always keep a Sling in my diaper bag. Sen, you gonna help me? And then I just have like a little change of clothes. This one is a cute little romper from Finn and Vince, which I love. And then my favorite diaper and wipes is from Parasol. If you've never tried their diaper and wipes, give them a try. They're awesome. Like their diapers are so soft and cozy. Love both of these. Highly recommend. Of course, the little Wild Bird Sunhat. Keep it in here for walks, beach. And then I always keep a sound machine. I love this little portable one just for like the car. Helps her fall asleep when we're driving. I always have a Binky. She is a Binky babe. I have the Ryan and Rose Pacifier Clip, and then a Bibs Binky. She loves the round top Binkies. Then I have two Primally Pure products, which I love. I love their baby powder and their hand sanitizer. Then I have a little toy. This one's from Lywood, and it's just really cute. And then just a portable charger for me. And that is it. That's everything in my diaper bag. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good rest of your day. Bye.